Emirates 242 is on final runway 12 left, touch and go.
Emirates 242, enter straight in runway 12 left.
Enter straight in runway 12 left, Emirates 242.
You love me no longer, I know, and maybe there is nothing that I can do to make you do.
Attention all aircraft, frequency is busy, transmitting ported messages.
Surely deserves me, but I think you do. So I cry and I pray and I beg for you to.
Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 123, taxiing to runway 30 right. Dubai International Traffic.
Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 242 is 14 nautical miles to the northwest at 3,700 feet, inbound for landing, will make straight into runway 12 left.
Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 135 is taking off runway 30 right, departing north. Dubai International Traffic, November 788 Lima Tango, taxiing to runway 12 right.
Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 242 is 8 nautical miles to the northwest at 2,100 feet, inbound for landing, will make straight into runway 12 left.
Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 123, taxiing to runway 30 right. Dubai International Traffic is using runway 12 left, right traffic. Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 135 is taking off runway 30 right, departing north.
$1,000.
Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 123, holding short runway 30 right.
$500. $400. $300. $200. $100. $50. $40. $30. 20, 10,
Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 123 is taking off runway 30 right, remaining in the pattern. Dubai International Traffic, November 788 Lima Tango, holding short runway 12 right. Dubai International Traffic, November 788 Lima Tango is taking off runway 12 right, remaining in the pattern. Dubai International Traffic, November 788 Lima Tango is clear of all runways. Dubai International Traffic, November 788 Lima Tango is clear of all runways. Dubai International Traffic is using runway 30 right, left traffic. Dubai International Traffic is using runway 30 right, left traffic.
Wide awake, and I'm feeling the adrenaline.
Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 135 is inbound, request traffic advisories.
On my skin, I'm on fire. It's getting harder. Girl, you got me burning up. Make me light up. Now I can't stop. No, I'm never getting
Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 242, crossing runway 30 left.
no, I'm never letting go. Oh, I feel you in my bloodstream every time you touch me, girl. You got me losing control. I'm feeling the adrenaline every night that you're on my skin. Oh, I love the way you love me, love the way you love me. No, I'm never letting go. Wide awake, and I'm feeling the adrenaline. I can't wait. Now I know that I need you on my skin. I'm on fire. It's getting harder.